I found this little bird crying and abandoned by the lakeside. At first, I wasn't sure what to do, but I decided to take her home. She was cold, weak, and hungry, so I wrapped her up and fed her until she felt safe again. Little by little, she learned how to walk. And before long, she started to see me as her mum. Now she loves playing around the house, full of life and curiosity. She has grown so much, and honestly, I've grown to love her just as much.